Severe coastal flooding is likely with high tides this afternoon, with severe coastal flooding expected with high tides early Tuesday morning, followed by moderate to severe flooding Tuesday afternoon. Timing: high tide cycles this afternoon through Tuesday afternoon. Impacts: water levels are forecast to reach 2 to 3 feet above normal this afternoon and early Tuesday morning, with some locations reaching 4 to 5 feet above normal. Tidal anomalies of 4 to 6 feet above normal are becoming increasingly likely with high tides early Tuesday morning, resulting in severe tidal flooding. The latest forecasts for Tuesday afternoon are 2 to 3 feet above normal. Moderate to severe tidal flooding is expected, mainly within a few hours either side of high tides. Tides at Cambridge. High tide this afternoon is at 4:47 p.m. with a forecast water level around 4.5 feet. Mean lower low water. High tide early Tuesday morning is at 4:56 a.m. with a forecast water level of 3.5 to 3.9 feet. Mean lower low water. High tide Tuesday afternoon is at 5:25 p.m. with a forecast water level of 3.8 to 4.2 feet. Mean lower low water. Severe flooding begins at 4.5 feet. Mean lower low water and moderate flooding begins at 4.0 feet. Mean lower low water at Cambridge. At Bishop's Head, high tide this afternoon reached 4.2 feet. Mean lower low water. High tide early Tuesday morning is at 2:18 a.m. with a forecast water level of 4.0 to 4.4 feet. Mean lower low water. High tide Tuesday afternoon is at 2:33 p.m. with a forecast water level of 3.724/.1 foot. Mean lower low water. At Chrisfield, high tide this afternoon occurred at 1:24 p.m. Tide late tonight or early Tuesday morning is at 1:39 a.m. and high tide Tuesday afternoon is at 1:58 p.m. At Salisbury, high tide this afternoon is at 3:55 p.m. High tide Tuesday morning is at 4:10 a.m. and high tide Tuesday afternoon is at 4:29 p.m. For local tides and search forecast in your location, visit weather.gov/AKQ. A coastal flood warning means that flooding is occurring or imminent. Coastal residents in the warned area should be alert for rising water and take appropriate action to protect life and property. In addition, the combination of high water and high waves will result in beach erosion and damage to docks and piers in locations exposed to high water and wave action.
The flood warning continues